With 3 sick people in the house, it was just a matter of time. I'm going to do a little bit of training today. Nothing too strenuous. It's healing time. Let's go. Chest and sinus, of course. My sinus is always pooched, so no big deal there. But yeah, I sure feel it attacking my lower back as usual. That's my weak point. So just some light stuff. Well, my head's not blowing up, that's good. Good stretch at the bottom. That's good for squat. I'm gonna do a little bit of bench, a little overhead press, maybe a couple rows, and a few hypers. That'll be all. Oh, it's just so sad. Feeling sorry for yourself. Boo-hoo. At least I'm getting something done. I don't feel too guilty about missing a bunch of sessions in a row. Well, I'm not hacking yet, but the bones hurt. So today's all about just getting some blood flowing and not dying. Yeah, not dying. So this is the big advantage to having your own gym. So I can come in and do stuff. Don't worry about germing everybody. So if you're sick, stay home for God's sakes. Be sharing all your germs all over the gym with everybody. Here, nobody trains in this place but me, so I can slobber and spit everywhere. Hack. Yeah. That just feels horrible. But I know it's good for me. Again, like 40%. For your lifts, but doing something, even if you go for like a nice long walk, like anything rather than just laying, because your lymphatic system, which is like a whole separate juice than blood, needs motion to clean out the viruses and the crap in you. So you gotta move. You can't just lay there. So in my program, I just made a note that I have a cold and I'm doing a 40% session. So I'm not gonna write down reps, sets, anything. I'm gonna do like a couple sets of like 4 or 5, so nothing exciting. Like I say, it's all boring if you're watching, but that's life. Actually, those don't feel too bad. Okay. It's good. It's all still good. Yeah, the best part of getting a cold or being sick is getting better. Yeah, I wouldn't be doing these with a headache, I'll tell you that. So that hasn't started yet. But I really want to get some blood in my back, because it was mad last week. But it's still recovering, still there, but it's just a muscle issue, nothing else. Yay. Ooh, buzz. So I got some puffing and huffing, got some work done, nothing to be proud of, but something I'd share. You can't just sit around and just be sick. You gotta move. Even if it means taking a like doing 5 or 6 stairs up and down, just to get your heart pumping and get that lymphatic system moving, because that's what's cleaning you out. Not your blood and your heart, well, it's part of it, but it's your lymphatic system that does all the cleaning for you. So yeah, take care of yourself. And I'll chalk this one up to a 40% session. And if it's the same next tomorrow, I'll do another one until I can get up to 100% again. That's how we do it. See you next one.